Hey guys, it's me Jenny from Gaming Explained, and today I'm going to show you how to view tutorials on Woodoku. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump right in. First, tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on the view button right next to tutorials. Now you can easily view the tutorial for Woodoku. Tap on the arrow pointed to the right to explore more of these tutorials. Once you're done, tap on the cross icon. And that's it. This is how you view tutorials on Woodoku. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.